Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center. We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
UMLA ka North Shillong uba Adelbert nongrum uloong ba watla ka Sorkar kala de bantung ya ka kunhun toket halor ka Jingja hagaba ki Pulit kila siat yap uba Chesterfield thank you Henry mentahi ka Sorkar ka de ban Sngap ya ka Jing Dawa jung ki Paidbah ban Weng kam shipor ki he Pulit ki baladun kti hakate ka Jingja uloong ru bana kaliang ka Sorkar kala penyai baklahi nadu ningkong hagaba kala don ka Jing pthat jubor ka Jing im jong ba thank you bat menta ka Sorkar ka de ban kam yala ka jong ka Jing bakla bat ka deiru ban perkhat ka Jing sngo jong ki nongsong snong namar ba ka Jing Dawa jong ki ka de ka badon nongrem ban Weng kam shipor ki he Pulit ban don kata ka Jing toket ka ban long ka ba khoi ka basuba ulo ongru ba nadu ningkong habangi phai halor ka ne ka Jingja kaladon ka Jing suba ba ka Jingbu Jingkeli halor ka kerwo ka balawan no menteri rangba u Konrad Konggal sangma u menteri ka kampo ying u ba Lakman Rembui barkumju no Director General of Police u R Chandranathan.
This thing should not happen. But since the government of the day, even though myself I'm part of the government, I should speak out the truth. They mishandled the incident right from the day one. So in fact, things have happened. We cannot take it back. But the government today should accept their own failure, and at the same time they should think about the sentiment of people, and also they should accept their demands. Their demands are very simple: just to suspend all those top cops official. Top official cops to get to suspend them, so that we should assure that the judiciary, which are yet to be taken up, yet to be started, means it should be free, fair, and transparent. Otherwise, we are deeply worried about the situation taking place in our state. We don't want that this thing should go out of hand.
But we have seen
Their statement. It was a contradictory statement among the DGP. DGP he himself said that he had sent the troop, that he had been collecting the evidence to arrest lead Chesterfield. Thank you. And also we have seen from a statement what Honorable Chief Minister, he had made a statement that he had been asked to arrest, and the sole responsible as a Home Minister, respected Barambui, he had clearly stated that he himself did not know about things had happened. So whom to blame? As if the gun had been placed on his shoulder, and someone had clicked the trigger. Then who will take the responsible? Who will be there? Who will be fixed responsible for this incident? So to get a true picture, it is very logical what they are demanding. It is very righteous that first and foremost, before starting the judicial inquiry, they should remove all those persons who are involved with this incident.
Naka PDF kilalait lengba uba Hamlet son doling bat yaka party UDP lengba uba medba lingdo.